Lupios!
No.
I've always wanted to try a Lupio.
No. Nope. We go over this every morning. They're not for cats.
No. Maybe just half a loop?
This is for adults, kid. Okay? Adults like me. Hey, oh my God. They have prize at the bottom of these? Oh my God, it's Mr. Lupio. That's sick. It's for adults.
Can I just have one loop? Just give me a loop. Loopy.
Fine. If I let you try one Lupio, will you never bother me about it again?
No, I'll never bother you again.
Ever? You swear?
I swear.
Convincing. All right, I'll give you one loop, okay? But you can't tell Mom.
I need more Lupios.